It has happened, officially approved. The Bitcoin spot ETF will be tradable as of today. Unbelievably, after over 15 years of asset history, this is probably the most significant moment in the history of Bitcoin. We have officially upgraded, evolving from dubious internet money into an accepted financial asset now being negotiated to clients by the world's largest asset manager BlackRock. But what happens next? The price has moved strangely so far, and when will it be tradable exactly? It will indeed be tradable today, that has been confirmed. And what will happen afterward? How much inflow can be expected in Bitcoin? All compactly summarized for you with the most important information you need to know. I would say let's go straight into the content. As you can see again, the US SEC approves Bitcoin ETFs in watershed for crypto market, and the SEC approved directly 11 Bitcoin ETFs, including BlackRock, ARK Investments, Fidelity, Invesco, and VanEck. So these are very crazy news for Bitcoin. And here we already have the iShares Bitcoin official trust from BlackRock with the ANV, the sponsor fee, and here you can see many information, and including the net assets of fund. The Bitcoin ETF starts with over $10 million. And guys, these are very crazy news. But what will happen now for the Bitcoin price in the near future? As you can see, after we continued the trend to the upside, we then consolidated in this range right here. And now as the SEC approved the Bitcoin ETF, we retested this range, and then we continue to go to the upside right now. And I already updated you on this range right here and this potential breakout. So if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or on coins like Bitcoin, then join my free Telegram group. You will find a link in the description. And now we moved into this supply zone right here. And this supply zone is technically strong because we saw this move to lower levels we made in lower low. So the chance that we see a bearish reaction right here from the technicals is very high. And right now the volatility of Bitcoin is also very high. Many retailers will buy the market and buy the news. And it's also difficult to say how much money will come into the Bitcoin, because most of the people will think that the price now continues to go to the upside, especially when the money comes into the Bitcoin ETF. And if enough money comes into the market and if we see the break out of the supply zone, then I think the next interesting area is this high right here at $52,000. And if we are reaching this high and if we are breaking it to the upside, then I think the chances high that we can also move directly to this level right here at $59,000. So this kind of price action would be the bullish scenario, but there's also the possibility that we now see even lower prices because many people are coming now into the market. And always if there's many retailers are coming into the market, the chance that institutions push the market to the downside, and especially if not everything goes right with the Bitcoin ETF, then I think the chances high that we can see lower prices or that we see much volatility right here. So I personally would be very careful in the next days and weeks because I think the chances high that we can see much volatility. But if everything goes right, I think the chances high that we can see higher prices. And for the rest of the year, for the bull run 2024, then I think the chance is very high that we can see the all-time high, especially if large institutions, many retailers, and with the Bitcoin ETF much money comes into the crypto market, then the chances high that we reach the all-time high. And I think the chances high that we can also break to the upside of this all-time high. But guys, I would be careful right now because many people are FOMOing into trades right now. And it's always important to be rational at the crypto market and that you have a calculated risk management. And if you have a good risk management, then go into trades. And if you want then open long positions, the chance is there that we can see even higher prices. But again, I would be very careful right now. Again, it's very important that the SEC approve the Bitcoin ETFs for the next time and for the long run. It's very important that Bitcoin has more mass adoption. So these are very great news. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.